Hit the subscribe button and join us on our fishing adventures. Contact Rock and Surf South Africa for surf and deep sea sinkers at affordable rates.
Good morning, guys. Saturday morning, 2nd of December, and we are at Mhloti Beach. The tide is coming up. Water's flattening out nicely here. Got a bait, got my braid. I want to fish with braid this morning. Give it a try. Dad's gonna tackle up. Frat's got his bait in the water already. Alright, first bait for the morning, guys. Let's go. First bait for the morning. Still got that bait in the water. Waiting for a decent bite. Water's quite nice today, but I think the Durban heat is just a bit too much. No, 38, 34 degrees Celsius temperatures. I don't think it's very good for current fishing conditions. But we're here and we're gonna try. And let's hope we get a hookup. Six a.m. Gerard's gone to the right hand side to try his luck there. Very quiet morning. I've had this bait in for about 30 minutes. No bites, no small bites, nothing at all. Let's just get it back in the water. Try again. Six a.m. High tide was at 5:30. Tide is going out. Still no bites. Absolutely no bites. Let's just go to the left hand side and try on that side. Let's go. Finally got a decent bite here. At least something took the bait. Let's go tie another bait. Try again. I finally had a bite. Finally had a bite. Yeah. $6.30. Got another bait here. Let's get it in, see if we get another bite. Let's go. 7 a.m. Bait still in the water. No bites. Always a beautiful morning on the beach. But it's starting to get hot now. I don't think we're going to be much longer. Alright, Dad's last throw for the morning. It's getting a bit hot here, so we're gonna pack it up. Let's see what happens. How's it, guys? No luck this morning. Beautiful morning on the beach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tight lines.